Hey everybody, Justin here with Ultra Bright Lights, and today I'm going to show you how to install a Z Flash BCM for GM vehicles. Here we have a GMC Yukon, and before we hop inside, let me just show you some of the parts, what's included, and what we're going to be looking for inside. So first, this is the BCM that we're going to be looking for inside. We're going to want to remove the 3 plugs, the ones that are pink, brown, and black. And once we pull them out, we're going to plug the factory harness into this end, and then our end from the Z Flash into this side. Just like so. Now, if you remove the 3 plugs and you forget which order they go in, I'll first show you that molded into the plastic is the color. It's a little hard to see, but once it catches the light, you'll notice it, and they're all labeled with the color of the plug that goes in there. In addition, each plug is unique, and they don't fit in more than one spot, and each one is shaped slightly different. So if the plug's not going in, don't force it. It means you probably have the wrong port. So you want to slide it into the one that's nice. But once we're connected into the BCM, we're gonna have 7 wires that come out just like that. And these 7 wires are gonna connect to our Z Flash module. They can go in any order, doesn't matter which part they go into. But do note that there are male and female ends on either end. So the 2 males won't connect like that, and the 2 females won't connect like that. So you'll have to just do the opposites and just connect them any which way, in any order, it doesn't matter. Then on the Z Flash module, you're gonna have one 3-pin plug, and that's gonna connect to the harness that's also included in the box. And there's gonna be 3 wires here, and that's what you're gonna use to power the unit and also to change the flash pattern. So they're conveniently labeled. That's your positive 12 volts, your ground, and your pattern changer. And those 3 wires are gonna connect to either the switches that are included. So we have a momentary pattern changer and a rocker switch to turn it on and off. If you don't want to use those switches, you can use the upfitter switches or a controller, a switch panel, anything else you might have in the vehicle. Quick little piece that's included as well, you can connect this into your fuse panel, and that will give you positive 12 volts. So again, if you're not connecting to a controller or something that has 12 volts in it, you can connect this right into the fuse panel and you'll get quick and easy 12 volt access. There's a little jumper included. If you wanted to disable any of the lights, you'd connect that to the Z Flash. And then we just have a couple of butt connectors there to make installation a little bit easier. And the last thing we have included is the resistors. There's 4 of them in total. If you get any hyper flash on any of the bulbs, you can wire these into the bulb, and that will stop the hyper flash, but these are optional, and if you don't want to use them, you don't have to. So that's it. Let's hop inside and I'll show you how to do it. Here's my pink plug, my black, and my brown have all been removed. Now that I removed the plug from the vehicle, I'm going to go ahead and put that into one end of my Z Flash, and then this end's going to go back up into the BCM, and just repeat for each color. Now that I removed the plug from the vehicle, I'm going to go ahead and put that into one end of my Z Flash, and then this end's going to go back up into the BCM, and just repeat for each color. Alright, so once the Z Flash is connected to my factory harness, I'll go ahead and push these back in. Alright, so now we're going to take these 7 wires that come off of the BCM cables and just connect these to the Z Flash. Again, they can go in any order. You can have males and females, doesn't matter which goes where. Alright, so now that those are all connected, you could tuck this up somewhere nicely. And the last thing we'll want to do is just go ahead and connect our 3-pin harness so we can power the unit on and off. That's going to be it. Powering the Z Flash module is easy with the included fuse tap. Simply find an empty spot or remove a fuse, insert the fuse tap. You now can use this for power for your Z Flash module. If you remove a fuse, be sure to put it into the additional slot on the fuse tap. So that's it. This car's ready to roll. If you have any questions, reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.